This one is my friend, okay? And this one is Jules' friend, correct? Are you going to think of a name?
Yes.
So what name you think? What is it again? A short name only for a boy's name. What do you think? What do you think? What name? Huh? Boy? Berkey?
Yeah.
Berkey.
Yeah.
So don't forget now, the name is Berkey.
Yeah.
Huh?
That's
Oh, what's that? Oh, they're going to deliver furniture. So what is the name? Berkey? Berkey. So B-U-R.
My dad is
Berkey.
Berkey?
Yeah.
What's Berkey?
This one. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one is Berkey.
And the other one?
That's her friend.
Berkey.
Yeah, Berkey. So you will think of another name for the other one.
Yeah.
Alright? But this one, don't forget now. The one is Berkey. The one on this side.
It's fine.
Oh, and Berkey is your friend.
What?
Okay.
Hello?
Hello, Berkey.
And the
Are you going to brush your fangs?
the other one? Yes, the other one.
That's